guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you today's video just because I have been in a mood to pierce my ears like crazy. I went to a tattoo shop a while ago. They pierced this part of my ear right here. It got infected so many times and it just always was painful and everything, and it just didn't work out. And that was in May, I think. Recently I went to another place that seemed super credible and they were gonna charge me over $300 for 3 piercings plus the jewelry. You know, I don't have that much money, so I wanted to somehow do it myself, but I was always scared of those really cheap piercer guns. Mom and I went to Sally's not that long ago and she had seen a piercing gun there. She was like, I'm gonna get this, and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get it too. But then the workers told me that there is a bigger supply, or like a bigger version, box version of the same gun. So I ended up getting that version, and that's what I want to share with you guys today. This is the box that I'm talking about. This is called the Stud X Ear Piercing Starter Kit. So it comes with a ton of stuff. 24 karat gold plated earrings in like 4 different styles. It comes with also silver plated earrings. So you have a bunch of earrings to choose from. It comes with the gun, the pen, everything that you could need to pierce yours or someone else's ears. I'm gonna go through this box with you guys and talk about my experience with it. So in the box, like I said, you do get a ton of earrings. I wish they came more with like these studded ones that actually have the cubic zirconia in them, because you know, that's the prettiest style. You get 18 earrings, so that's plenty to pierce your ears with. I don't know if this is actually meant for people or if this is meant more for stores, professionals. It was kind of interesting to open this box and see what it came with. There are release forms that you can have people sign, or that people do sign. There's a DVD teaching you how to use the gun. There's also written instructions which you can learn from, which I did, so it was easier. There's this, I feel like it's an earring holder thing. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to wait for this video, so let me open it. It's like a rack to hold your earrings that all come in the case. See why it gives like a more professionally not at home type kit, but they gave it to me. They said I could buy it. It came with this sign: free professional ear piercings. Do what you will. These are the written instructions that I was talking about that you can go through and practice with the gun. It has really great instructions. Sometimes it can be a bit confusing, but if you just mess around with it while being safe, you can get it, because I got it. So this is something that I actually really appreciate in the box. This is a pretend like ear so that you can pierce the holes and stuff and practice with the gun before you do it on you or anyone else. That is so helpful. Even if you're super confident, practice before you actually do it on yourself. It's so much better. Finally, you get the actual kit with the gun, gel for your ears after you pierce them, a set of earrings inside as well, and then the marker, the non-toxic marker that you can use to mark your ears before you pierce them. There are 3 different gauges here where you can pierce your ears. This is the regular, this is the mini, and this is the large. And actually in the bigger kit in which I purchased, it comes with a pair of like super tiny earrings, so that's probably why that's even more useful. This kit retailed me about $110, so it is quite expensive, but what I liked about this kit as well is that the gun is reusable. So no matter how many piercings you want to do, this gun is reusable, but make sure, like it says in the book, you need to sanitize everything. I practiced with my mom. We did each other's piercings. I made sure to sanitize this gun before and after every use, like it says. Sanitize the earrings, wash your hands, you know, do all that stuff to make sure it's super clean so that your piercings will go even better and as best as they can. So earlier when I mentioned that I'd gone to a tattoo artist that got infected so many times, I cleaned, I made sure, you know, I could do everything I could with it. It just would not stop. And here, when we did my ear, I actually pierced, I believe this is called a helix piercing, and then I did my 4th. Right now, they are doing wonderful. It's been a couple days. They are doing great. I don't feel any pain. They're obviously sore, but other than that, I can pretty much half sleep on them already. There's no pain like I had with the other one. When I went to that tattoo shop for them to pierce my ear, I think they put the earring on way too tight, and there's just a lot wrong with it. So all the instructions that you get with this booklet is actually super handy. Make sure to read it again before you do anything. It's only gonna help you. This is what my mom did. She did such a good job. Thank you, Mom. I've always wanted one of these piercings and it looks so cute. I love it. And then like I said, I have my 4th done on both ears. It is recommended that you only pierce one ear versus both of them. I think one reason they tell you to do that is so that you can sleep comfortably on one side or the other. Me and mom were like, forget it, let's just do all three, but that's really your personal choice. But they do recommend doing only one ear versus both of them. If you guys want to see like an up close version or how I really use this gun on somebody, I could find someone, I guess, who wants to pierce their ears and test it out on them. I do have video of my mom using it on me. I recorded it for fun and to show you guys how the gun actually worked. So I'm gonna play that for you now. Well, do you feel comfortable?
I'm sorry, sweetheart. I can't hear that. Is that hurting you, son?
No, I'm just nervous.
I'm nervous too.
I always get super nervous, so don't worry about me.
So I'm good. I feel comfortable. But if it come out wrong, are you gonna get upset? Because I want to make sure it's not gonna be.
What do you mean comes out wrong? You mean not on the dot?
Yeah.
Well, I'd like it pretty near it.
I'm pretty sure it was, but oh.
Yep. See how it tightens against the ear, so you can kind of find your hole.
I see it.
You ready?
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, not bad.
It actually did all by itself, and right in the hole. Take a look.
Okay. Well, that didn't hurt really.
You didn't feel it?
I mean, like, I felt it. I feel like it just smashed. It's cute, I think.
I love it. That's why I'm behind.
My final thoughts on this kit are that it's really, really cool. It is somewhat expensive, but you're also going to be paying $50 plus for one piercing some places. A lot of the time it was hard for me to find places that'll pierce your ear less than $50, especially at the store too. So depending on what you're piercing, how many you're gonna use, all that stuff, the price isn't that bad, especially because it comes with 18 pieces of jewelry and you can reuse this gun, you can sanitize it, everything. Just make sure to be super, super clean about everything. I really like the way this gun performed. I had no issues with it. I don't think mom had any issues with it. I loved everything that came in the box. I found everything useful. I don't regret purchasing it at all. I'm so glad that I was able to find this at the Sally store. I think you're really, really set up here with everything that they give you. I don't think anything is left out. If you guys are actually looking to pierce your own ears and stuff like that, I know that they have those little white guns off of Amazon and stuff. I do not recommend those whatsoever, just because I have seen so many times where they get stuck, and when you pierce new skin and it gets stuck, that hurts like a bitch. A lot of the times when I go to a tattoo shop to get pierced, they seem to think that I know everything there is about piercings or tattoos, and they don't tell me, so I have to look it up on the internet or ask people who've had them before. I felt more prepared taking care of my new piercings with this kit than I felt at the tattoo shop. That's my personal experience. Maybe it was the person I went to. That's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you had fun along with me. If you want to know more details about this kit, go ahead and leave it in the comments below and I will answer them for you. If you want another video on how to actually use this kit or want to see me use it on somebody else, I can try to find a volunteer and show you guys that too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!